Alright, so in this video, I'm going to be unboxing some O-scale Strasburg items I just picked up from one of my favorite hobby shops, Nicholas Smith Trains. So to be unboxing this box, I'm going to be using a random tool knife I found in my toolbox, so let's get into it. Alrighty, now that I got the box all cut up, let's see what's inside. Alrighty, so I ordered two things from Nicholas Smith Trains. One of them is a piece of rolling stock, and that is this custom run by MTH Electric Trains for Nicholas Smith, this Pennsylvania Railroad bobber caboose. Now this is the current rendition of the Pennsylvania Railroad bobber caboose that exists at the Strasburg Railroad. There are two types of cabooses on the active Strasburg Railroad roster. One of them is this Pennsylvania bobber caboose, and the other one is this Strasburg caboose right here, which was also made by MTH Electric Trains for Nicholas Smith Trains, which is also seen on many Strasburg Railroad passenger trains. Alright, and the last item in the box is this Lionel East Strasburg illuminated passenger station, which I plan to set up right next to my MTH Strasburg J Tower. Alright, now that these items are out of the box, let's take them out of their manufacturer boxes. Now, please bear with me. This is the first time I'm doing an unboxing video. So let's gently slide this out. All right, very nice. Show that up to the camera there. Very nice. Looking good. Let's take this out of the shipping foam. Nice and carefully. All right. Alrighty, and this also is illuminated as well. It can be illuminated with track power. It says Pennsylvania, the car number 476087, as well as the built date and shown that it's built for the Pennsylvania Railroad. Very nice yellow grab irons and details as well as the two pickup rollers on the underside. Very cool. Alright, now time to look at the new Lionel Strasburg East Strasburg passenger station. So let's open it up. Alrighty, right off the bat, we have the instruction manual that tells us how to wire this up to make the lights come on. And inside we have the station itself. Taking this plastic off. Now I'll go ahead and unbox the rest of this physically, and I'll show you the station once it's out of the box. Alright, so here is the station in its entirety. Let me bring it up close to the camera for you so you can see the fine details. So this is the front of the station. See if I can show you the special details. There we go. Now, up front here, we have special train information, which can be seen right there, as well as the waiting room sign on the door, as well as other train information. Let me try to zoom in there for you on this chalkboard. Now, we also have the East Strasburg sign on the front here, and this is also depicted on the station on both the left and the right sides of the station itself. Now, awkwardly, the roof is removable, but I won't take it out. Actually, I just did, so you can kind of see what's inside the station. I don't know why Lionel did this, since there's no kind of way to see real-life figures in there, but I think it's also a pretty cool addition to a station like this, just in case you want to put in your own type of Bluetooth speaker in there to play sounds, like station sounds, train sounds, and whatnot. And the reason I say that is because there's a series of holes on the bottom of the station, as if you were to put a speaker there in the first place. So I wonder if Lionel has some plans for some sounds in buildings in the future. Alright, and here is the plug-and-play cord that you use to plug into a piece of fast track to make this building light or come on as well. And that's basically it. There's nothing else much to it. Very nicely detailed as well. Lots of room to put your own type of customization, as well as figurines on there. And all that's left to do is put this on the layout and see it with a train.
Over. Approach restricted. You are clear inbound. Over. Approach
Bye.